Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Tesla Model Y door light. First, gather your tools, a plastic trim removal tool, and your new LED puddle lights. It's a straightforward process, and you don't need any advanced skills. Always ensure your vehicle is powered down before you begin any electrical work. This quick upgrade can significantly enhance your car's appearance and visibility, taking only about 5 minutes per door to complete. Now, let's remove the old light. Look for a small notch on the edge of the existing door light housing. Carefully insert your plastic trim removal tool into this notch. Apply gentle pressure to pry the light assembly out of its slot. Once it's loose, you'll see the electrical connector. Pinch the tab on the connector and pull it away from the old light to disconnect it completely. Be careful not to scratch your door panel. With the old light removed, it's time to install your new LED puddle light. First, take your new light and connect its electrical connector to the vehicle's wiring harness. Make sure it clicks firmly into place to ensure a secure connection. Next, align the new light assembly with the opening in the door panel. Gently push the light into the slot until you hear a satisfying click, indicating it's securely seated. Test the light to confirm it works. Congratulations! You've successfully upgraded your Tesla Model Y door lights. Repeat these simple steps for any other doors you wish to enhance. Now, step back and enjoy the brighter, more modern illumination your new LED lights provide. It's a small change that makes a big difference in both aesthetics and functionality. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.